streamline your workflow with Abaco multi-material transport cart. Engineered for precision and enhanced slab handling, allowing for safer lifting, seamless rotation, and effortless installation. Pull up the locking pin to extend the safety legs to both sides. At the rotary joint position, pull up the locking pin, then manually rotate the vacuum pads to the appropriate position. Keep the boom center of gravity as low as possible during vacuum process. The electric steering system ensures stable, precise control in any job site conditions. Effortlessly lift and position materials onto CNC machines and low workspaces. Automatic audible alarm triggers if vacuum pressure drops below -60 kPa. The alarm activates only when the vacuum indicator light is on. Effortlessly load materials onto trucks and high-reach areas. For heights from 2.5 to 3.4 meters, extend safety legs and ensure support legs contact the ground. Flexibly lift, rotate and install a heavy slab at high positions. Effortlessly steer the wheels left or right to navigate, and position loads with maximum precision during installation. In an overload condition, the sensor interrupts the signal to the cylinder, preventing further stroke to avoid tipping. During overload safety cutoff, boom is locked at its current position, and further extension is disabled to ensure safe operation.